So last day, go in there and get 90% off of whatever they have left, which is odds and ends. What do I got here? I got 2 packs of Rookies and Stars. It's really windy. I'm not sure I should do this, but we're gonna do it anyways. Gotta do some old natural pack cracking out in public, right? Top of my car. Alrighty. Oh. What do we got here? Alright, Kid Reporter. Alright, let's get the Kid Reporter up front. Alright. Ooh, sick. Duke Johnson. There went that. We gotta be careful with these cards. Duke Johnson. Sick, flashy. I like that. Rookie card. Nice. Die cut Ben Roethlisberger. I like that. Rookie card. Quan Alexander. Ooh, very windy. Gotta be careful. Rookie card. Tyler Lockett. Alright. Kid Reporter. Teddy Bridgewater. God, that knee of his, that was not right. That was nasty. Matthew Stafford. These are nice flashy cards. Alfred Morris. Whatever happened to Alfred Morris? Really? Emmanuel Sanders. Okay. We got Julius Thomas. And then we got a hit behind it. It's a gold. It's Philip Dorsett. Oh, nice. Nice. We got a Philip Dorsett hit here. Oh! Super nasty. Super nasty. Rookies and Stars out of 99. Jersey auto out in public. The Indianapolis Colts, Philip Dorsett. Dag, that's nasty. Oh my gosh. Dude, that's a super pack, Adam. Look at that. Look at that. You couldn't have handpicked that any better. Out of 99. Dude, that is killing it. All right. Wow. Okay, I got a second one. Second pack I'm going to open here. The other pack flew away here real quick. I'm going to safeguard these cards right now by putting them inside my car so they don't fly away, mess up, and all that other stuff. All right. Okay. All right, second pack. Second pack. Dude. This is a hookup upon a hookup. That is sick nasty. All right. I don't know. I think we got something else right there. We're going to slide that to the back. I think we got nice Jalen Strong, Crusade, Denzel Perryman out of 299 rookie card. Nice. Goes the pack. All right. Taylor Hinkie. Amir Abdullah rookie card. That is super cool. Nice. Blake Bortles. Jags fans everywhere go crazy. Antonio Brown. Rookie Stars, Steelers. Justin Forsett. Of course, I don't know if I'm showing these off very well because I can't see inside my camera right now. Oh, Jarvis Landry. Nice, sick, shiny. Oh, look at this. Out of 99, Amir Abdullah, Rookies and Stars. All right. And then we've got a Chicago Bears, Kevin White, jersey piece, dress for success. Dude, these packs kill it. I need to pick me up some of these. I love that. All right. So cool, so killer. All right. Well, thank you again, Adam, for the hookup on the win. I got these packs hit it out of the ballpark, and I hope you guys enjoyed my little pack cracking out in public. We say goodbye to Marsh Stores, and say hello to the sky, because I just dropped the camera. All right. Well, I've got to go to another store, find some actual groceries. But to everyone out there, remember faith, family, football. Peace.